Hello, I'm Twyla from My Bilingual Life. I want to help you become bilingual. Today we're looking at the vocabulary for Lesson 2 in my beginner's Spanish class. I teach this class on Outschool. Check the description below to get some more information. Quiero, I want. Quiero, I want. Quieres, you want. Quieres, you want. No quiero, I don't want. No quiero, I don't want. De, of. De, of. ¿Qué? What? ¿Qué? What? Cuatro. 4. Cuatro. 4. 5. 5. 5. 5. 6. 6. 6. 6. Comer, to eat. Comer, to eat. Tomar, to drink. Tomar, to drink. Uvas, grapes. Uvas, grapes. El agua, water. El agua, water. Leche, milk. Leche, milk. Limonada, lemonade. Limonada, lemonade. Jugo, juice. Jugo, juice. Naranja, orange. Naranja, orange. Helado, ice cream. Helado, ice cream. Fresa, strawberry. Fresa, strawberry. Pastel, cake. Pastel, cake. Chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate. Refresco, soda. Refresco, soda. Here's some sentences. ¿Qué quieres comer? What do you want to eat? ¿Qué quieres comer? What do you want to eat? No quiero comer. I don't want to eat. No quiero comer. I don't want to eat. Quiero comer uvas. I want to eat grapes. Quiero comer uvas. I want to eat grapes. ¿Qué quieres tomar? What do you want to drink? ¿Qué quieres tomar? What do you want to drink? Quiero jugo. I want juice. Quiero jugo. I want juice. ¿Qué jugo quieres? What juice do you want? ¿Qué jugo quieres? What juice do you want? Quiero jugo de naranja. I want orange juice. Quiero jugo de naranja. I want orange juice. So this week we have a secret word. Make sure to get the clues in the class and do your homework so you can get the final clue. See you next time. Nos vemos.